Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 11th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think there's a good chance this is going to go up and take out the previous highs, probably up to 155 eventually. But I mean, it does look pretty likely that at this point it probably is going to go down before it actually does go back up. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly so I can show you what I mean. If you go down to the weekly, I mean, we definitely made a lower high, and it is very, very impulsive. And the US dollar index also looks like it's going down. So, I mean, it probably is an A, it probably is a B, and it probably is going to go all the way down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension before it goes back up for a wave 5. So it probably is pretty likely that it is going down for wave C, but we do have to be careful with these yen pairs. These yen pairs have pretty much been in an uptrend for 4 or 5 years now. So if you think this is going down in a significant way, you definitely have to be careful. Sometimes it looks very, very impulsive and then it just keeps on going up. Very, very impulsive and then just keeps on going up. So we have to be careful about going short because it may be very, very impulsive, but it might just keep on drifting up at any time. So going down to the daily time frame, I have my Fibonacci extension from here to here and projected out the top of here. Now, if this is a wave C, then it would probably go down to at least 100% Fibonacci extension, which would also take out the lower wave A, which is what a wave C should do. But if I do get like a double bottom at any one of these fib levels like this, with the breaker structure to the upside, I would definitely exit my shorts and potentially even go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So definitely be cautious about going short. Like I said, these yen pairs have been in a 4 or 5 year uptrend. So trying to go short in a 4 or 5 year uptrend might be a little bit on the dangerous side, even though there has definitely been some money to be made to the short side a few different times. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are very close to a fib level. It really looks like, if anything, it's a 1, 2, 3. So even if it does break this structure, I would say it's probably at least going to make a 3, a 4, and probably go down again for a wave 5. And looking at the very high time frames, it might just keep on going down and take out the lower wave A, like I was explaining on the daily. So I am definitely looking for shorts right now. The next move does look like it should be a wave 4 or 5, but it potentially could just be a subdivision, and it potentially might just keep on going. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, we do have CPI coming out tomorrow for the US dollar. It's going to be very, very significant for the dollar and the yen pairs. So, I mean, I'm definitely looking for shorts, but I would be a little bit cautious. It does kind of seem like this is that 3, 4, 5 set that you see at the end of every trend. But if anything, it's probably just the end of a wave 3, like this is the wave 3 trend. Maybe it will go up. Maybe it will break structure, but it's probably just going to be a crescent, like a wave, bigger wave 4, and then eventually back down for a wave 5. So I would definitely be looking for shorts. Now, if it goes up and starts breaking structure, then you can potentially start looking for longs. But until then, I would actually continue to look for shorts because we don't really know. It could make another lower high, and just keep on trending down. As long as you're trading with the trend is your friend, then you should be on the right side of the market. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.